AI can replace 300 million jobs. According to a recent report by Bank of America Goldman Sachs, the world's second largest investment bank based in New York, artificial intelligence, AI, which refers to the intelligence of a machine or computer, could replace a full-fledged job. Reports suggest that AI could replace a quarter of all US and European automation jobs to some degree. And finally, it can increase the total annual value of goods and services produced worldwide by 7%. In the United States, most jobs require people to make a significant contribution, but some of their workload is 25 to 50%, the report said. Newer generation ACE like ChatGPT can create content similar to human performance and can drive productivity growth. However, the Goldman Sachs report also states that some jobs may be affected by AI, but some jobs, such as work related to physically, AI is likely to be irreplaceable. On the other hand, office and administrative assistants have the highest percentage of automated jobs at around 46%, which puts them at risk. The percentage of automated work is 44% for legal work and 37% for architecture and engineering. Physical life and social sciences accounted for nearly 36%, while responsible business and financial operations accounted for around 35%, which can be operated by automated with AI. These are figures for the United States, while data for Europe is broader but similar. According to the report, 24% of jobs in Europe are automated, which is almost the same as 25% in the United States. Translation results. Translation result. Bank of America Goldman Sachs.